Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we are on the big island of Hawaii still. Not sure what day number it is, maybe 7, maybe 8. Today we're heading to one of 4 green sand beaches in the whole world. So it should be a pretty good day.
Yeah, we're going to make a little pit stop first because you have to get cash. Because otherwise it's a 1-hour hike. But if you pay $20 per person, someone will take you in like a little truck down to the green sand beach. So we're going to make a pit stop, get some cash and fuel and maybe a coffee.
Yeah, and then get on the road. It's about a 1.5 hour drive from where we are. It's located on the southern tip of the big island. So yeah, we're going to make that pit stop and then make the big drive there now.
Little scenic point pit stop. Jinx.
Decent.
Nice.
Little lava field.
Is the ocean in the back somewhere? I don't know, it's actually the sky. Oh, ocean is somewhere around there. But yeah, we shall continue. Right, we are pulling up now, trying to find, I don't know, a space or where we're supposed to go. Thank God there's a portaloo because I need a wee.
So we're just at the green sand beach entry point now. These are the vehicles that you get taxied into, $20 per person for both journeys there and back. So hopefully, yeah, we're going to be holding on to that. What'd you say, Joe?
Hopefully it is cash and hopefully it is for both journeys.
Yeah, hopefully. How are you feeling for the 4x4 experience, George?
Fine, but I'm a bit hot. I just want to get there.
Yeah, very hot, same. So we're going to pay these, jump on the pickup truck now.
Okay, so this is the vehicle that you get into that takes you down to the green sand beach. It's roomier than it looks. I'll probably be sat in the driver's seat.
Well done, George.
Yeah, you get the seat, Max.
Halfway through, someone has unsuccessfully tried to get here, which is hilarious. I don't know if we're going to save him now.
Can I get help?
I think they are stuck. Rental company's not going to be happy. Seems like we're going to help these guys out. So we've had to jump off because I think our vehicle's going to help these guys out. I'm gonna watch them tow it up off the thing. They're fully, the back underside of the car is like fully on the rock. Both rear wheels are off, so I don't know how they're gonna do it, to be honest. Can't park there, guys. What? Seems like it's the front end that's dipped and then they're fully dipped in. Yeah, I wonder. Oh yeah, car's on now. Gonna start towing now. Oh, straight out. Nicely done. Pro tip, don't let Georgie drive the vehicle. And the car is fine, I think, unscathed. We're gonna jump back on there and then keep heading over to Green Sand Beach.
Everybody okay back behind here?
Good, yeah. Very nice. So we have somehow made it in one piece.
Yeah, tricky drive that. Bloody ribs cut to shreds. How did you find it, George?
Yeah, unpleasant.
Unpleasant, but we are here. So we're making the treacherous way down here. Go on, George.
I'm going first.
I'll let you be the guinea pig. Wow, but the colour of the sand is amazing. Apparently there is only 4 in the world. I don't actually know how true that is, because surely if there's green sand here, then there will probably be some green sand over there, but maybe the accessible ones. But yeah, so that's a pretty cool thing. I don't actually know where the other ones are located in the world, but there is one here. More in Hawaii? Yeah, Georgie says more in Hawaii maybe. But we are on the big island of Hawaii, if you did want to visit this. Oh, this little kid's screaming turtle. See a turtle right in the middle? And apparently, yeah, if you can see it on film there, turtle. See these people just in front of that? There's a turtle, so must be a turtle spot as well. We're gonna head down there now, and then we'll show you the sand there when we're down there. B-Tech Grand Canyon down here. Oh! So hard to get down here. I'm gonna have to walk like this. What?
Should I go the other way?
Follow at your own risk, that's all I can say. George, you might have to walk like this. Well, because it's too slippy down there. Oh no, actually I don't think you can come this way, George. I don't even think I should have come this way. Oh, getting down's a real task, but successfully made it. Georgie's turn now. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I don't know why you didn't go that way.
Well, no, because I started slipping at the start. And there is the beautiful green sand beach. Luckily, the sun's on it now. That looks amazing. Wow. We're gonna check out the sand, take a dip in the water, and then put the drone up, I think.
So this is the green sand.
Just about to jump in the water now.
It's a bit rough.
Yeah, it is a bit rough.
It's too hot not to.
Yeah, we're going to attempt it. And we're in the drink. It's really deep down here. I didn't bring my mask today, but we're in. Are you okay, George?
Taking it all in.
Taking it all in. Wow. The water's amazing. And then the sand from down here looks even more green.
Oh, mine's quite... Oh, there's something else I'm saying, you can't pick what.
Yeah. We successfully made out of the water. Sand is actually green. Oh, that is sick. It's got like green pebbles. Wow, that's amazing. There's the green sand beach. I'm just going to go up to the top now, if I can make it up there, and fly the drone and get some cool drone shots. Because now the sun's on it, it looks absolutely amazing. Gonna go up to this ridge. Oh, the view's even better from here, wow. Gonna keep going up there and then stick the drone up now. Them drone shots were sick. I'm just going back down to see Georgie, she is there. And then we're heading back up into the pickup truck.
Okay, so Max just showed me the drone shots and they looked really good. We have to leave now. We were only here for an hour, but the lady basically just said, how long do you want to spend here? We just said like an hour. So I guess you can stay longer, I don't really know, because they just wait for you and then they obviously are going to take us back. But we definitely recommend coming to the green sand beach because it's amazing, and we haven't seen like, well, there's nowhere else with green sand in the world other than 3 other places. So yeah, definitely worth a visit. We're going to head back up now and then get back for another treacherous journey.
This is our trusty whip that got us here. the clearance on that unit. Hopefully it gets us back in one piece as well. But as Georgie said, we're saying bye to the green sand beach all the way down there. But them drone shots are really cool. So probably one of the best places I've ever flown the drone actually. On the way back, we've come to another area which is even more green, the sand.
That rock, yeah, it has to break down to come off to come to that. Out of the rock.
Ah, I see, yeah.
Yeah.
The sand comes from the rock. And this stuff is even more green.
Yeah.
Wow.
But yeah. So,
It's like emerald. So the stuff that comes out of the rock is called olivine.
The lady that runs this has just given us a few of these little like gems that come from the, I don't know, what are they?
Yeah, from the rock. These are, I think she said they were the minerals that comes from the rock, but she said that she wouldn't give anything that would jeopardize us or our families, so you're allowed to take these, it seems. Oh, I've just dropped one.
It also isn't like detrimental to the nature itself.
Yeah. So you're allowed to take them, which is cool. So as you can see, in these rocks then, he's got these minerals that the lady gave us. So these are what break down when the ocean hits the rock. And then I guess these bigger mineral crystal type things break down into the sand itself. So that's how the green sand beaches around here are formed.
So just got back in the car and I'm just wiping my face because I could feel all the dust mud from it. Like, and hold on, I'll do it again. Like, let's do it.
Wow.
That's literally all the dirt just from being in that car with all the dust just getting in your face. Like that is actually insane.
This is the location on the map then. You can park here. Then the actual beach itself, which we get transported to, is here, as you can see. And then in terms of where it is on the big island itself, right at the southern tip. And then in terms of Hawaii, it's the biggest one, hence the name. Thank you very much, if I can even speak. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. That was one of 4 green sand beaches in the world. Yeah, over to George.
Thank you for watching. It was, just to mention as well, I think it was like an hour-and-a-half drive away from Kona or whatever.
Yeah, from the town.
Yeah, but yeah, definitely worth a visit. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching. We're just about to head to the world's most active volcano. That's going to be a separate, can't speak today. That's going to be a separate video in itself. So make sure to check out that one as well. Bye.